What up, nomads? In this video, I'm sharing with you how I started my blog, The Capsule Suitcase, and how you can create your very own travel blog. Whether it's just a place to share photos with family and friends, or if you plan to monetize it in the future, the first step is getting your site online. Let's go! First, choose a platform. The first step is to choose where you want to host your blog. There are two major categories in the world of web hosting: website builders and self-hosted websites. Website builders are when you pay a monthly subscription fee to a company like Weebly, Squarespace, or WordPress.com, and you build a site on their platform using their tools. The other way is to use an open source software like WordPress, or a site coded by yourself, and choose a hosting company and upload your site there. This is called self-hosted. The pros of the website builder is the convenience and all-in-one billing for domain name and hosting and sometimes email. The cons are that if you want to move your site away from that company or add on features they don't offer, you're kind of stuck with them. With open source, it's a bit more work at the start, but you can own your content and move your site in whole to wherever you want to host it as your needs and traffic grow. All my sites are built with WordPress, the open source software, which you can install in your account for free after you sign up for a hosting account with the host of your choice. If you're curious to learn more about the different web services online and how to build a WordPress site, go to andreazollner.com/courses, where you can register for one of my courses, including how to build a blog, a website, or a portfolio. Use code CAPSULESUITCASE for 20% off your first course. 2. Pick a name and claim it across the web. Building your website is one thing, but you need a domain name to make it accessible on the web. This name should be your blog name, and you should do your best to claim this name across all social media platforms. The Capsule Suitcase came to me at the height of the capsule wardrobe trend back in 2016, and I felt like it embodied the lightweight travel I was trying to share. So I purchased CapsuleSuitcase.com, got the handle on Instagram, on Facebook, and then later on YouTube. Don't forget to keep your domain name renewed every year so it doesn't lapse and accidentally get bought by someone else. Not sure what to call your blog? Take your time, grab a piece of paper, and start writing down words to see what feels right. Take your final few options and play around with them in different fonts to help choose your final blog name. Or you can always call your blog by your own name and just reserve your fullname.com like I did at andreazollner.com. 3. Work on your photography skills or find a photographer. So much of storytelling is writing, but we can't forget the power of photography, especially if you plan on promoting your blog content on Instagram. You don't need a good camera to have good photos. Practicing your photography skills and learning new ways to capture movement and work with a variety of lighting can go a long way. Don't forget to be in your photos from time to time, and if you need to, get a tripod and a remote for your phone or camera so you can take selfies that feel natural. One tip I recommend is to find a style and photo editing presets that you can continue to use to develop a visual signature for your blog and your Instagram page. 4. Build your site. Now the hard but really fun part, building your website. If you're using a website builder, they probably provide some templates and website themes for you to choose from. Find the ones designed for blogs and find a style you like. Most often, you can switch between a few before deciding and make changes like customizing your font and colors. A few things I'd recommend having on your site from day one are comments turned on, sharing buttons so people can save and share your posts, a way to contact you, an about page, and links to your social accounts. In my course on how to create a blog, I walk you through how to set up all the necessary elements of your blog with 10 video lessons you can refer back to. And the last tip I have for starting your travel blog is to create content. Now you can start writing. If you're using WordPress, you can install a tool for search engine optimization or SEO to help your content rank better on Google so people can find and follow your blog. Follow the principles of SEO like using keywords, structuring your content with paragraphs and paragraph headers, and over time, you should build a site that shows up in Google searches. When you upload a photo to your blog post, make sure it's not too big. High quality photos are great, but if they are too large and the file is too heavy, it will slow down your site and make it hard for people to access your blog on their mobile devices or on slower Wi-Fi. Lastly, stay consistent and post often, since this will be your best strategy to fill up your new blog as quickly as possible. Don't forget, if you want to purchase any of my website building courses, use code Capsule Suitcase to get 20% off. Happy travels, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video until the end. For more content like this, make sure you subscribe to the Capsule Suitcase and turn on notifications so you get all the fresh content as soon as it comes out. Thanks for supporting this channel. Happy travels!